Today is moving day. It's so exciting. We have our whole apartment packed up over here. The movers are coming in about an hour and a half, and we have Sean's dad, one of our good friends, is coming as well in about an hour to just help us move out a couple of things as well. We were at the new place just a couple of days ago. We were deep cleaning. We brought all of our plants over to the new house, so there is some stuff there. So I'm just gonna finish putting a couple little things away into some boxes and just making sure everything's ready to go, and then we're good to go. Goodbye, beautiful park. But very, very excited for our new backyard because we have lots of trees back there. We're getting some gas right now. Goodbye, Toronto. It's been a good run living here for the past 3 years or so. It's been a good place to live. Like I have so many fond memories of being downtown. Living in Toronto, it's a wonderful city, but we'll be back for sure. We'll definitely come down to the city and go out for dinner and do all the fun things that we have always loved doing living in the city. So we'll be back for sure to visit. And we're not actually that far from Toronto. We're really quite close. Very exciting to just enter this new chapter. It's definitely feels like a new chapter that we're entering.
While our lives keep on twisting and turning like one, I think it's twist and tangle of fate that brought my heart to you. Know that I love someone even more than I thought I could. I think it's twist and tangle of fate that brought my heart to you.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our new house. We've been crazy busy because we just got married a few days ago and lots been going on, but I do want to sit down, say hello, and to do a little house tour of our new space. So yeah, what shall I say first? So we've been here for almost 2 weeks now. Most stuff is unpacked and for the most part has been put into its place, which is nice. I originally thought I would try to do an empty house tour, but it just didn't end up working with the timing of when we moved, and it didn't work. So, but this will be, I guess you could call kind of like a just a before house tour in terms of there's going to be some little updates that we definitely want to make to this house over time, like eventually, but for the most part I am in love with so much about this house. There's original hardwood flooring. I love a lot of the character that this house has, so there's not tons that we want to change, but there are certainly a few updates that we want to make, and down the road I can do another tour once we've maybe made some updates and some changes to the space. But for now I'm just going to share with you kind of what our little tour of our house and what our house looks like from the inside. So let's just hop right into it. I'm going to start at the front entryway. In the front entryway we have, this is actually a powder room, and this front door, actually I plan on painting the front door, the inside of it as well, which I think will be really nice. This is the front powder room. Not too exciting, but it has a beautiful window and just a little, what do you call that? Sink situation. I'm definitely going to be painting this bathroom. I'm really looking forward to doing that. Probably going to change these floors at some point someday as well. Okay, to the left here we have the basement door, And then we have a little side door, which is lovely because we can open up the screen on the storm door there and it lets a beautiful breeze in through the house. So straight ahead, staircase here, but when you come in, we have the living room space. This is our kind of dining area, and then this is the staircase going up, and I'm in love with it. And then over here we have the kitchen, which I'll show you in a moment. That's my little wedding bouquet because we just got married. For a wedding gift, actually, we are getting a new sofa set. So this sort of sofa or seating situation will actually be different once we get the new couches in hopefully by August-ish, August, September. Put my beautiful antique dresser here, which we would hope at some point to be able to use as a TV stand. We don't actually own a TV, but we're thinking that we might get one at some point. I absolutely love the original hardwood floors. There are some parts of it that are a little scuffed up, like at the entrance, so maybe down the road we'll sand them down and restain them, but I just love this flooring. It's one of my favorite features of the house. This table I got for about $80. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm just in love with it. It's an Amish build, beautiful old wooden table. I've been going back and forth on painting the chairs or not. I'm thinking I might paint the chairs black and then leave the table wood, but I also really like it wood, so I'm still trying to decide. I also have some paint swatches here because going to be doing some painting. And this lighting fixture we actually plan on changing. We don't, it's okay, it definitely works for now, but it's quite big, so we're planning on just changing it to a simpler pendant light or something like that. But this is our backyard. I'll just kind of give you a really quick view. Absolutely beautiful out here. You can hear the birds. This is one of my favorite features of the house, is just all the beautiful green space. Okay, so coming back over here is our kitchen. Dun, dun, dun. Here it is. So this kitchen space is, it's a pretty good size. The fridge is in a bit of an awkward place. I think that it used to actually be built in to the wall over there, but they, did some rearranging over the years. This space I definitely do want to do a little bit of updating. I certainly want to update the backsplash, and yeah, I have a few ideas for kind of what I want to do in here, but all in good time, nothing urgent. You can see this angle as well to the stairs there. And I've been getting used to using a gas stove, which is very different. Okay, so now we can go check out the upstairs. Now these stairs used to have, actually when we first moved in, we worked really hard to remove a whole bunch of stuck on carpet pads that were on each stair. It was a lot of work, and there's still some remaining adhesive that you can see a little bit as we go up, you'll see. But we just really wanted to bring the staircase back to its original kind of hardwood state. So anyways, it's a bit of a process getting all the glue off. So let's go up. And one of my favorite features of this house are all the beautiful windows. There's just windows everywhere, including here at the top of the stairs. So coming up, hello. I'm using my big heavy camera for this. Okay, so here we are at the top of the stairs. And as you can see, we don't have too much going on in this little staircase. Just love all the beautiful hardwood. It's just so beautiful. Okay, so walking down this hallway here, we have the bedroom. This is our bedroom, and we have absolutely beautiful large window in here with a big huge tree out front. It's, I'm just in love with it. We wake up to the sound of birds. We have lots of trees around us in general around the house, so there's lots of birds and we love it. Here we go. The other side, we actually just put these curtains up, which is very exciting, but they're all wrinkled, so I need to iron them out a bit. They're also a little too long, so I'm gonna get some fabric glue and fold them and so that they're a little bit shorter. But anyways, yes, this is the space. So there's two closets, lots of mirrors, and this is the bedroom. Okay, Moving on, straight down the hallway is Sean's office. I'll just give you a quick little look here. It's not that exciting, he just has his computer stuff in here. And then in here is the other bedroom that is a bit of a mess right now. This will eventually be a nursery, so that's exciting. This looks out to the trees as well, which is beautiful. Okay, and then as for our upstairs bathroom, again, I definitely want to change the flooring in here, and the color I'm also not in love with. It's actually kind of showing up like a nice spring green right now, but it's kind of like a yellowy color that I don't love. I love all of the windows. We just have so many windows in the house, and it's nice to have windows in the bathroom. So that is very nice. So there you go. Okay, and so on to the basement here. So I'll just do a quick little tour because it's not overly exciting. Let's go down and I'll explain. So this carpet was in such a dire need of vacuuming when we first moved in, and yeah, I don't even want to get into it. It was not pleasant. We actually plan on completely ripping out this carpet. So we have a beautiful fireplace down here. It's actually a wood burning fireplace. We want to get it inspected and cleaned out before we, use it in the wintertime, but I just love that we have a little fireplace, so it's super cute. And then honestly, not too exciting down here. I just have some random stuff here. We have some boxes, and yeah, this is pretty much the space. It would be nice to, definitely freshen it up in time. Again, nothing urgent, but yeah, we do want to rip out the carpet and, probably give it a fresh can of paint. So straight at the bottom of the stairs is actually a bathroom. So we got this nice and cleaned up, but yeah, so this is a 3-bathroom, 3-bedroom house. So we've got a nice little vanity there and a stand-up shower. And then right here, we have our washer and our dryer. So that's it for today's video. Everyone, thanks so much for watching and for coming along with me here in this video on a little moving vlog and just a little house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and getting to see the inside of our new house. And there will certainly be some, more home-related content that I'm excited to share in the coming weeks and months. So look out for that, and I will see you all in the next one.